In this video, we're going to be talking about the fastest and the easiest way to get a guy to admit that he likes you. This is the most effective method to get a guy to reveal his true feelings about you. Maybe you are confused because the signals he is sending are so difficult to understand and you can't seem to decide what he is actually thinking. Or maybe he is acting like your boyfriend in day-to-day life, but has never admitted that he has any feelings for you. So because of this, you're afraid to ask him whether he has any feelings for you, because you don't really know if he likes you or not. But in any case, this video will help you. Here are the steps that we're going to take. 1. How to determine if this guy actually has any feelings to admit. 2. And if he does have any feelings, how can you confirm it, so you won't be mistaken? 3. If he does, then, how to talk to him to make him admit that he likes you. You really don't want to skip the first step, because if you just jump in and ask him if he likes you, it's going to put you in a really hard situation if he doesn't. So, with that in mind, let's get into the video. Step 1. So, I will tell you 3 basic signs to find out if there is any chance that he likes you. And if he shows any of these signs, then you can go to the next step to verify it. The next step is basically a way to guarantee. 1. He looks for reasons to make physical contact or another contact with you. Maybe he'll reach out to touch your hand to ask how you're doing, or if you need anything, he might gently put his hand on your shoulders. He will basically look for any reason to initiate touch, and if you do the same, he will either back off or take it to the next level. He will also try to find reasons to text or call you. 2. He goes out of his way to help you. Because of his hero instinct, he will look for ways to be helpful. He will be alert for those extra opportunities to show you that he cares. He will even change his plans for you. He'll make space in his daily schedule to spend time with you. Or he will always be available when you call him for help. He has other responsibilities, and yet he is willing to change his plans to make space for you. 3. He tries to compliment you. This sign is very common if he is really shy or nervous, because most shy guys hide their feelings. However, they still make some effort, and they are really subtle. For example, he will compliment you on your beauty, your clothes, and so on. He might not say it in an outright way, but he will try to make you notice. Step 2. Confirming if he has any feelings so you won't be mistaken. So the method we're going to use is the pull back and pursue. If he is showing some signs that he likes you, then what you need to do is lean back and allow him to miss you. I don't mean that there should be no contact, but you should stop initiating contact. Maybe take a little time to respond to his messages, and don't tell him that you want to see him. It may be difficult to do, but you must do it. This will make him see that he might lose you if he doesn't make any moves. And if he likes you, then he will pursue you. He's going to message you more. He will call you more. He will reply right back when you message him. Basically, he is going to show you that you're a priority to him and that he doesn't want to lose you. And if he pursues you for your attention, then that means he values you. So, if he pursues you, then you can be sure that he likes you. Maybe he will even admit his feelings for you. Okay, so that's how you confirm he actually likes you. And if you got any value from this video up to this point, then make sure to leave a like, so this video can spread to more people like you. Step 3. How to talk to him to make him admit that he likes you. This is actually really easy when you are certain that he likes you. All you have to do is tell him that you like him, and ask him how he is feeling about you. This won't be hard for you, because you know that he likes you. And if you come straight forward like this, and initiate this conversation, then it's going to be really easy for him to express his feelings for you. Even if you get him to like you, you still want to make him want to be with you long term. And if you think that's hard, then you should definitely check the first link in the description. It will tell you exactly how to make him want you badly, so make sure to check that out. And also make sure to check out this video, which I'm certain is going to help you a lot.